Hi, I'm Boiler Williams. I'm your credit advocate from Hitman Credit. I want to talk to you today about free credit repair, free credit information. Is there such a thing? Well, yes, there is free credit information out there. They come in two different buckets that I would categorize them in, either social media or free government agencies. So think about social media. When you're listening to somebody on social media, if you were paying, would you pay them? Are they an 18-year-old that's in a bunker in their grandmother's basement with just a webcam? They've never had credit? What do you actually know about them? Are you willing to gamble your financial future on their advice? I'm not. Maybe you are. So the second bucket that I would put free credit information into is credit counseling organizations, nonprofits, those type of organizations. So if you go to one, they have cookie cutter plans that they apply to everybody's problems. Your problems are not cookie cutter. Your problems are unique to you, almost like your fingerprint. Think of them as your fingerprint. So you need a complex solution for a complex problem, not something that came out of a manual that they learned how to do in one day of training. So think about the level of expertise that they have. Have they actually done credit repair on themselves? You know, those type of things. If you go to free counseling for drug addiction, you usually have somebody that's been an addict in the past that knows what they're talking about, that's gone through what you're going through. Are these, people that you work with in the free credit organization, free credit repair, have they been through this? Usually not. So think about these people, think about who you're dealing with, where you're getting your information from. Are they really expert on credit repair? So the other thing to think about is you're obviously listening to me on YouTube. It's kind of ironic to be telling you not to trust everybody on social media. So let me tell you a little bit about my background. Here's what makes me different. I'm an IT guy. I was a consultant to credit repair organizations, large ones. I did their IT work. I've done their analytics. I've helped them develop their business. I understand what works and what doesn't. So I'll take that knowledge and I combine it with my knowledge of law. I've studied federal law on fighting debt collectors. I've studied law on credit repair, credit issues, those type of things. I've gone to federal court without an attorney, by myself, 10 different times, and I haven't lost yet. I love saying I haven't lost yet. So I've taken all this knowledge that I've learned and I put it in one book, and it's called How to Fix Your Dumpster Fire Credit. I would love to give you that book for free. If you go to hitmancredit.com, you could sign up, get the book for free. There'll be other information there for free. Sign up, cost you nothing. Again, I'm offering you free credit information that I've told you not to listen to other people about. Kind of funny. Also, just to sum up, be careful who you get your information from. I suggest you look at my free book. There are other free resources out there. Take them with a grain of salt, and always remember, I hate generic sayings, but you get what you pay for. I'd also ask you to like this video, to subscribe to my channel, and the bell next to the subscription button alerts you when I put out new content. So please do that. Thanks. Have a great day.